Hello again everybody, I'm back in the shop with my entry for the 2026 cheap bike build-off. A bit of a story on this bike. I actually bought it last summer off of Facebook Marketplace, and the person I bought it off of was actually selling two bikes. He had one advertised for $40 and he had this one advertised for $120. So the $40 one was more of a parts bike, so he wouldn't budge on the price. But for this one, I worked him down to $100. So for $140 total, I brought the two bikes home. When I got to the shop, as I was unloading the bikes, my next door neighbor saw this one and he fell in love with it right away. He loved the paint job. He's like, yeah, I'm looking for a bike. Just clean it up for me, make sure it's safe to ride, and I'll buy it off of you. So I wasn't really planning on making a video of this bike, but even if I'm not planning on making a video, I at least take detailed pictures of how I first bought the bike. And luckily for this one, I actually took a nice detailed video. So here's what the bike looked like when I first got it. So that was last summer. He obviously didn't end up taking the bike. He wanted something with a front shock for a bit more comfort. At this point, I had taken all the parts off the bike, so I threw everything in a box. I put the frame away and got busy with other builds. So over the winter, I stole the set of wheels off this bike. I stole the headset off the bike. And fast forward to about a week ago, I go upstairs trying to decide what to build. I pull this frame out, I bring it downstairs, put it on the rack, admiring the paint job. I picked out a set of wheels for it, and then I went home. I go home and jump on YouTube. Wouldn't you know it, Max the Mullet Mechanic announces the 2026 cheap bike build-off, and a light bulb went off. I'm like, I'm going to build that Norco. So here we are. I'm going to bring you guys in for a closer look. There's not much to look at, obviously, it's just a frame, but at least you guys can get an idea of the paint, what it looks like. The paint's actually still really bright. The decals are in good condition. Again, I love the paint job on this bike, but what I really love is the head tube decal. I think it's really cool. Here's the forks, straight forks, threaded. So I think I'll probably make 3 videos out of this build. In the next video, it's gonna be me choosing the parts, cleaning up the parts, and I'll finish up with the actual build. So stay tuned everybody. I think this is gonna make a pretty good entry.